Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm extremely happy to be back in Ljubljana, the gorgeous capital city of Slovenia. Oof. The first impression I know a visitor gets of Ljubljana is that it's an exceptionally young city and it's a home to over 50,000 students who give it a special vibe. I mean, I'm sure you guys feel the same thing when you come here. But on a separate note, its inhabitants and numerous visitors will definitely tell you that Ljubljana is indeed a people-friendly city. It's your girl D once again in Ljubljana. Man, this time is cold, but again, I love the cold. It's autumn season and you can see it's beautiful. I really hope we're gonna go up that castle, but if we don't, that is not a problem because I'm gonna have a good day. Ljubljana is a city that people often return to, be it because of work or because of pleasant memories of previous visits. I mean, it is similar to a number of other pleasant European cities, yet it is different. And if you want to be fully assured that Ljubljana is an interesting, pretty and friendly place, then just ask the locals. They love it. And with that name, according to one theory that I read somewhere, it means beloved. How could they do otherwise? Come on. I love this city. It is amazingly beautiful and calm, so clean. People are nice, polite. Good Lord, what can I say? Good job. I feel good. I am happy with the meal. You wanna say hi to the video? So, the main language of the city is unsurprisingly Slovenian. However, as I mentioned before, the city is full of students, so be sure that majority of the locals speak English, so do not worry about nothing. Now, unlike most European cities, Ljubljana has no world famous attractions, which is just great. Hold on. This means that there's certainly no need to hop from one place to another, taking photos, crossing the items on your checklist. You have all the time to stroll around and enjoy the city itself. And it is here, after an almost obligatory Saturday visit to the Ljubljana Market or Sunday flea market, that locals meet for a morning coffee or for an evening chat with friends. Amazing, I believe. Yes, back at the Dragon Bridge. The market is right there usually, but seems like it's not functional anymore. That's the mall right there. But I just want to enjoy the weather. Today is no shopping. On the contrary, I'm broke. So I'm not gonna shop for anything. I ate, I feel better. So let's enjoy the weather. Man. And here we are. This is day 2, and in my opinion, 2 days in Ljubljana is enough. This gives you time to explore the city, eat delicious food, and explore a little bit more of the countryside as well, yeah? And to fully explore the city, you need at least 1 day in Ljubljana, but 2 is ideal, which means a weekend in Slovenia might be the perfect getaway, yeah? Now, if you have some extra time, definitely 3 days are ideal to be able to see a little more of the country, yeah? And the best time to visit Ljubljana is from April to June. You'll have pleasantly, warm temperatures and fewer tourists than the later in the summer months, definitely. And I'll aim to be back in Ljubljana next year during this period. It should be lovely. Who's coming along with me? In the comment section, who's coming along with me? Okay, let's pause for a moment and talk about food here. Slovenian cuisine has always been strongly defined by homegrown quality and organically produced ingredients, which both city dwellers and top chefs prefer to seek out at one of Ljubljana's markets. See, a significant number of specialized stores in the city center are dedicated to characteristic traditional food products such as cured meats, homemade oils, wine, and other delicacies. This is certainly the moment I've been waiting for. Woo, food, time to dig in. Then later crawl into one of the popular joints for cocktail. Who does not want to be in the captain's cabin? Wow. After a successful 2 days trip, it is time for me to retire and prepare to leave in the morning. Oh, and by the way, the Brave Combat Federation kicked off 2024 with its first championship show in Slovenia in partnership with WFC, the leading regional promotion in Ljubljana. The Brave CF88 was a mixed martial arts event held on this very day, which is September 20th of 2024 at the Hala Tivoli in Ljubljana. I was privileged to meet the participants in my hotel before I left. Woof. Now, this is what I call a successful trip. All right? That is it from me today. Until next time, keep smiling and do not forget to subscribe.
Wow, champion.